Hello,
Hello, teacher.
what's your name?
My name is Duy Long.
What do you like about your hometown?
I like hometown because
Do you like the people, the food?
I like
What
people.
do you like in your hometown?
I like food in my hometown because it's tasty and
Cool. What do you dislike about your neighborhood?
neighborhood are awareness because they usually grow trash.
Are computers important to you?
Computer is really important for me because I always use it for researching and use this is a fixed way to relax.
Do you prefer eating out or cooking at home?
I think cooking at home is better. Uh, it's just cooking at home is more better because it's more tasty.
City or countryside?
City
Why?
because city is helpful for me.
Cool. Thank you. You have to speak louder. Louder. I can't hear anything you said. Alright. Nguyễn Minh Phúc